Hi, and welcome to this week's Minute with the Commander. You know, there are two projects that folks are talking about a lot, not only around the district but around the city, and so I wanted to give you just a real quick update. One is the work that we're doing on the Mississippi River levees along what's called the Fly, so both north of the district and south of the district. We are going to be doing some work there. We're putting anywhere between a foot, maybe 2 feet on top of the Mississippi River levees. We are going to be impacting some of the ball fields on the Fly, but just minimally. So there's going to be very little interruption, and that work should probably start in the holiday time frame, November, December time frame. Of course, there will be some impacts to traffic in the neighborhood, but not that bad. And we'll be doing a public hearing, public meeting this week. And the second thing is, of course, the post-Isaac modeling that we're doing, and did the hurricane system have any impacts on flooding that occurred outside of the system in places like Laplace or on the North Shore or in Braithwaite. We are doing that modeling. We're going to come up with some information. We'll be able to release that information, or it'll be available in the middle of October, and at that point I can come back to you and give you some more details about that. But we are doing the modeling, and we'll be ready to go in the middle of October to say whether the construction we did had any impact on the flooding that occurred outside the system. So that's an update on two projects, and thanks. We'll see you next time on A Minute with the Commander.